homes on the same street with the same square footage can have a very different value to home buyers. There are several key factors that home buyers look at when determining what a home is worth to them. And the first one is condition and updates. Homes with renovated kitchens and baths will have a very high value for home buyers. Two homes with the same square footage will have different value to a buyer. A home that has an open floor plan with not a lot of natural light will be more valuable than a home that is darker or has a lot of smaller rooms versus the open floor plan. A basement that is finished versus not will certainly add value for buyers as well. Also, curb appeal is very important. Buyers like to drive up to a house that makes them feel good. If you have any questions about preparing your home to obtain the best value based on buyers' expectation, please give me a call. I love talking real estate.